Hey everyone, welcome back to the SimTune tutorials. This is episode 3 and we'll be talking about the I/O modules or input-output modules. Episode 2 was about the simulation modules, and if you haven't watched that video yet, I recommend going back and watching that one first because the interface itself is the same as the interface for the I/O modules. It's just being reused. So a lot of the features and controls are the same. The main difference is that the I/O modules does not simulate the process. It actually connects to this external device, APMonitor's temperature control lab, which is actually an Arduino kit that's been pre-built with 2 heaters, 2 heat sinks, and 2 thermistors. And this is offered by APMonitor, Dr. Henegren at Brigham Young University, and it's pretty inexpensive. He uses it for his own classes, and I understand that other universities use it as well to teach PID tuning and also advanced process control principles and techniques. So if you buy this kit, make sure to get the Python, select Python for your Arduino firmware. I know that works with SimTune. I'm not sure about MATLAB and Simulink. But once you have the kit, then you just need to plug it into your computer with the USB ports. And then once it's plugged in, just go to I/O modules and select which module you want. I've got the 2 heater module open, so you can see my 2 faceplates here. And once that loads up, it's just connected to the Arduino kit, and you can just click Begin Simulation. So it's a pretty easy process, just plug and play. And if you do have issues running it, let us know, and we'll hopefully be able to help you out with that. But as you can see, we've got our temperature measurements coming in. We're reading about 83 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're sending a command to the heaters. Dr. Henegren has some great videos using this kit and also some assignments so that you can, if you're interested in practicing different tuning techniques, he's got some good assignments for that. And also there's a SimTune video that he recorded where he does one of the assignments with SimTune. So I'll post the link for that video down below as well. But once again, pretty easy process. If you're interested in the I/O modules, purchase a kit, and once you've got the kit, just plug it and play it. The next episode we'll be talking about the process model identification tool, and so stick around for that. Hopefully these videos are helpful and you are enjoying SimTune so far. Thanks for watching.